Hi guys, welcome back to Jamie Tech. In today's video we are going to use BG remove, and we can do everything from scratch and everything will be so perfect. We can use the official website of BG remove to remove background background from any image, right? We are using this, and we can do this in Flutter. We can have both iOS and Android version. You can have the demo right here. You're seeing everything in front of you, it's everything there. So we could just trying to remove it, and it's quite, we can do even no background PNG. So the first step would be just go to BG remove official website, sign in, and just go to the tools and API, go to commands, API and commands, and just get started and get your API. Just click on this and you will get the API here. What else we need to do is just we will have to go and implement. You will need to put the API key here in your API client. This is our simple class, and I will share this code inshallah once you people like and subscribe and share with your friends. Once you are satisfied with the result, it's quite awesome, unbelievable, and all in all I want to share what I learned. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends. Goodbye for now. Thank you. Bye bye.